So welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the truck. For those who have been watching the channel, wasting their time patiently, you've seen that the tank has been out of the truck for quite of the videos that I've been posting. Yes, the fuel pump has ended its life, but I already replaced it with an old fuel pump. It runs, but it's lean. The pressure is very low, so you can drive it. I just had to install it. So whenever I'm working on something in the garage, I can bring it out. But now I have a new one. It just came yesterday, and we're gonna install it. So the good thing is I won't be needing to drop the tank anymore because I did this. So I know this is kind of a lazy style, but I've been changing and dropping that tank what 3 times already, and because I installed intentionally a bad pump. I did this. Anyways, it's just gonna make my life easier. Not that dropping the tank is very hard, but this is much more convenient. So this is going to be a very short video. So just remember, well, let me show you. This is the new pump. Let's see if the top are the same. They look the same. So the only important thing to do before you put this in, just to be safe, remove your battery terminals. Let's put the float. There. Then let's set this aside. I need to. So we need this for this quick release. Well, as if they are quick release. But before that, let's depressurize the lines through the Schrader valve so that we will make a mess outside. Where is it? Cannot reach it. Not inside the vehicle. So the trick here is to push this way, then insert your thingy and then pull it out. Oh, I thought I depressurized it already. There's still a few. Well, there's another thing that you can do to avoid this mess. Actually, kill your pump and then crank your engine. But I'm guessing there's still gonna be, a few fluids, a few gasoline left on the line, even if you do that. The other one, the bigger one, is a little bit trickier. Sometimes you won't be able to get it out in one go. There we go. So now the lock, just smack it all around from here. So get something to catch the petrol. You might have to, well, you need to push the float. Now putting it back is just the reverse. So squeezing your float. By the way, you have a, oh, this doesn't have one. So if you look at this, there's going to be a guide like so. So that guide goes to here. So this doesn't have it. Oh, you just have to align it. Then push it down. This goes here. And we are done. There you go. So no more misfire. If you have a misfire, there will be your check engine light will be flashing. So anyways, this is done. So all I have to do now is to up and then close it. Easy peasy. Well, I still need to put some weather stripping on this, or maybe just duct tape it all around. Anyways, at least it's gonna be easy to remove it again, maybe next time. Well, that's it. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.